Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2014 Toyota Avalon XLE. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 66,206 miles. Key fob trunk release, large LED brake lights, the quasi-dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row, power heated leather bucket seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a locking glove box, a push button start, outside temp, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and speed compensating volume, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.